This is a 1993 Toyota Landcruiser 4.2. It's diesel. It's a big machine. It's solid. It's all there. I'm not sure about the mileage now, in honesty. There isn't any history with it. I was going to say not much history. There's nothing. It's been lying around for, I'd say, in excess of 10 years. Came into the country first in 2006 and it's had one owner in Ireland. Tyres are alright, but look, it needs four tyres. The tyres haven't been used in years. There was a crack there on the wheel arch. I'd say it's easily repaired. There's a few ripples and dents in the bottom of that door. It's not terribly bad, but to make it right, there's a few wee marks there, as you can see. It's had a bit of paintwork here and there. I'll try and just go around it and show you as best I can. Wheels could probably do a little bit of tidying. That one actually isn't bad. Tyres knackered. Surface rust here and there. Underneath is solid. There is a bit of surface rust under it. It needs a tail lamp, or a number plate light there. There is a bit of surface rust on it from lying around, but it's all solid. It's all there. The underneath, clean it up, under seal it. A few wee marks there. Do a bit of paint work. You could argue it needs a respray because it's gone a bit dull. A little bit of rust there in the bottom of the door. It's not on the inside of the door. Now, I'm not sure the camera's going to pick it up. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's just spider webs and general dirt and whatever, Little bit of... No, underneath no, camera isn't picking it up. But look at the underneath of the doors and inside the door shuts are all good. Carpet could do with a good wash. Unfortunately, the previous owner years ago was going to convert it to commercial just to reduce the tax on it. He never did, but he took out the seats and put them up in an attic, and then I think he sold the house, and either way, I've been told the seats are gone. But we may be able to rectify that. Somebody actually sent me an email saying he has seats, so I'm going to chase that up. Little bit of rust there, again nothing, it's all solid. Stick a screwdriver in it, nothing, it's just a little bit of cosmetic. Some more spider webs. Plenty of spider webs with this. Seats are good. The two front seats are good. They're not perfect. I'm very undecided about the mileage on it, if I'm honest. The car starts on the button. It sounds lovely. That seat looks a bit grubby, but it's grand. And there's no wear on the top of the plastic there in the centre console. Gear levers and that they look grubby now, in fairness, but they don't look worn. That seat there, not sure. The seat, I'm not sure, looks 26,000 kilometres, but I suppose it could be. And sure, we'll have a look around. Got a bit of body work, a bit of paint work rather, and could probably do a little bit of tidying here and there to make it mint. Look, you're gonna send it into a body shop and do work. Headlight has gone a bit. Sorry, the bonnet there, actually the paintwork was painted before, but wasn't great. Headlight there, I nearly put two headlights into it. They've gone a bit sort of corroded looking on the inside. That headlight has a stone chip on it, and the windscreen was broken by children playing on the road he lives, so he said to me. But look, as I said, it's all there. Let's have a look at this side. There's a little bit of, again, paint, lacquer is sort of peeling there, but door trim panel, no real wear on it, no real wear on the handle. You can see all the little sort of grooves on the plastic. Window switches, they all seem to work. Pedal rubber, alright, the other two are covered up with aluminium crap, but that seems to be fairly alright, and there's no real wear on the carpet there. There's a little bit there on the edge of the seat, people getting in and out. Like, I've seen that on low mileage cars where you just go down, short distance and fella gets in and out a few times. Steering wheel, I don't know. I honestly don't know. There's the seat bolster, edge of the door, more spider webs. This door isn't as good as the other doors, but look, you can see there in the bottom. It's nothing. It's just not as it's not perfect. There's a little bit of surface corrosion on it, but there's no holes or anything heavy. Just clean it down, put a bit of paint on it, it'll be fine. Back door is good. In door shut's good. Carpet again stained, dirty. Take it out, power wash it. I'd say it'll come up like new. No real evidence of anything ever being sort of heavy put in it or any abuse. I'd say it'll come up well. And back around the front, and there we have it. I'm going to do a separate video on the underneath, but I hadn't got a ramp free this morning, so I'll finish it off on Monday. Anyway, under the bonnet, look, it's clean. There's a little bit of surface corrosion there, nothing, just clean it down. And I'd say that's where it was close to the battery, and the battery acid perhaps is after taking the paint off a bit, but it's solid. I mean, you can stick a screwdriver in it, it's fine. Just give it a bit of paint. Lots of surface corrosion, nothing that's going to really make any difference. I would change, look, obviously you're going to change a few nuts and bolts and clean things up. You take that off, clean it up and paint it. The airbox there. And a couple of the pulleys are a bit sort of looking rusted, but they all work. Car starts on the button, engine sounds sweet. That looks like a timing belt cover, so definitely do the timing belt. I'd replace all the hoses and rad hoses and all that type of thing. But it's all solid, it's all there. Okay, so we leave it at that for now. I'll do another one on Monday of the underneath, and actually we'll see how we go. Until Monday.